Here in this video, I'm going to share with you how to change ear tips on AirPods Pro. So if you have the AirPods Pro, whether the second gen or ordinary AirPods Pro, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can change ear tips on your AirPods Pro. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. When you buy the AirPods Pro new, you're going to have extra tip in the casing. So if you open the AirPods Pro like this, then you're going to have extra tips in the casing. So in this case, I have some extra tip on my AirPods Pro casing. If I open this, just go ahead, open the tip casing, then you can see I have 6 different tips on my AirPods Pro. Then to change it is quite easy. You want to change it because this is too small or it's too big for your ear. What you just need to do is flip this up, and that is going to remove easily. It's very easy to remove on your AirPods. You can just flip this up gently and then remove it. Again, repeat the same process on the second one like this. To remove it. Then just drag it out. Then you're going to have the ear tips just like this. So I have my 2 ear tips, and here I'm just going to change these ear tips. Now you can just come to your ear tips bag on your AirPods and choose which of the ear tips you want to use. So if you want to use a smaller ear tips, select it from the ear tip and then go ahead and replace your ear tip with it on your AirPods. So once you hear a clip that shows the ear tip is fixed, or change it if that is not working for that, then you can just once fixed, you're good to go. Then take another ear tip again, then fix it. That is it. So that is how you can easily change ear tips on AirPods Pro. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.